Hey guys, and welcome to my mini-series. For the whole month of February, I will be posting one macrame knot or knot pattern a day. Today, we are focusing on a leaf pattern. This pattern only uses diagonal double half hitch knots. We will make 2 leaves across the top. Each leaf will use 6 strands of rope. Starting on the left, grab the right piece of rope to use as your filler cord. Working down and to the left, tie 5 double half hitch knots. Repeat the same process to create the bottom of the leaf. When tying the 3 knots in the middle, leave a little bit of space between the knots that you tied at the top and the knots you're tying now to create that middle section of the leaf. Create another leaf on the right using this same method. We will create another leaf, this time working from the left and moving to the right. Tie 5 double half hitch knots moving down and to the right. Repeat the same process to create the bottom of the leaf. Remember to leave a little bit of space when tying the 3 middle knots. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm Chantel from Lots of Knots Canada. Find me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. I'll be posting a new macrame knot or knot pattern every day in February.